The Ready concept is a very good concept for the startup gelateria because it's a machine that does the hot treatment within the barrel that is dedicated to the production. So a startup gelateria doesn't need to have a hot treatment mixer to prep the base, but he or she can make every single flavor inside a unit. You can easily make 12 flavors in just 4 hours. And here we're going to show you how it works. So we're going to pour the mix inside a unit. Now that the mix is in, the freezing cycle will start. The unit is processing this mix according to the setting of the operator that will set the desired final consistency. Right now there is a consistency setting of 100, which is the ideal setting for the milk-based flavors. The gelato setting of 18 represents the current consistency of the product. You see that this current consistency is going up, and it will go up to the set value. When the two values are paired, the freezing unit will switch off and the machine will display the extract sign, which guides the operator through the ejection phase. So you see now the two settings are matching, and you can hear this sound that is telling us that we're ready for the ejection. So lifting the ejection gate, the product starts to float. To push completely out the gelato, you increase the ejection speed, like now. And you can definitely tell by the look of this product how creamy and but dense at the same time this product is, which is the actual characteristic of high quality gelato. Now that we open the door, you can see how well the product, the machine discarded the product, so allow us to run immediately an next batch. So the production is very, very easy, and the machine is always ready to go. You run the beater to flush the water. You can actually adjust the pressure of the water that comes out of the faucet so that you can easily clean entirely the machine without splashing. And just in a moment your unit will be clean. With the faucet you can not only place a coal but also rinse the unit in the inside. And the machine is ready. Here Ready can do the job that the hot treatment mixer is doing. Ready represents for an entry-level gelato shop the perfect solution because it allows to run at least 12 flavors in a time span of about 4 hours, which is really very, very acceptable. So for a startup gelateria, this is what Carpigiani proposed, the Ready technology.